I'm Grizzly Greg. Hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment. Always smash that subscribe button. Thank you to my sponsor, Pandemic Performance. Check them out on Instagram, Facebook, and pandemicperformance.com for all your performance needs. Enjoy the video. All right, Brandon's got a pipe coming, an RPM header back pipe, full exhaust system coming. Should be here tomorrow, but we're going to do a little before and after video of him just starting it up at an idle here. There ain't really a good video on how all that sounds, so why don't you start it up, Brandon? All right, we'll be back in a few days with the finished product. All right, I'm gonna make this video quick. We're back next night. You heard the stock exhaust. We got the RPM on, all bolted up. We're gonna do the first startup.
It's kind of a bitch.
It's kind of a bitch, but
in a way, like,
yep, in a way.
Make sure you take your time with your
Allen
bolts
bolts.
to the turbo.
Yeah. Bolts don't come out good on exhausts, but we got her on.
Take your heat shield
I
off.
figured it out for everyone.
All right, start her up. As you guys can see, it just bolts right up to the turbo, right back in here. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and 3 bolt. Pretty simple. Simple concept, but yeah, it's got a little good bark to her. Now he's got the whole ass end open too. He's got to do something with, because keeping that heat shield on right there. That's kind of ugly.
So,
But
RPM says you can run this without a tune. Completely fine. But, of course, we're going to throw a pandemic tune on there and really let this thing rip.
yep,
So, excited for that.
we're working on that right now, and hopefully Pandemic can get us the tune and get this thing really freaking throwing the HPs down to the ground. So yeah, stay tuned.